Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Talk English.
Hello, hello. Great to have you here.
I'm Emma,
And I'm Alex.
and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. We create fun, podcast-style English conversations to help you learn English naturally and confidently.
So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our new videos.
So, Emma, what's today's topic? I'm really curious.
Today, we're talking about something super important, feelings.
Oh no, feelings?
Yes, Alex, don't worry. We're going to teach everyone, including you, how to express emotions and feelings in English.
Okay, that actually sounds useful.
You know, most people just say, I'm fine or I'm good when someone asks how they are. But there are so many better, more specific ways to express how you're really feeling.
Ah, I see. So instead of always saying the same thing, we can be more expressive?
Exactly. Whether you're happy, sad, angry, nervous, or confused, by the end of this podcast, you'll know exactly how to express those feelings in English like a confident speaker.
That sounds amazing. I'm ready to learn.
So, everyone listening, grab your coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into today's topic.
And remember, feelings are important, so let's learn how to talk about them.
Let's get started. So, Alex, let me start with a simple question. How are you feeling right now?
I'm good.
See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Most people just say good or fine.
Wait, what's wrong with saying I'm good?
Nothing's wrong with it, Alex, but there are so many better, more specific ways to express how you're really feeling.
Really? Like what?
Okay, so instead of just saying, I'm good, you could say, I'm feeling great, I'm excited, I'm energetic today, or I'm in a good mood.
Oh, I see. So basically, be more specific about your feelings.
Exactly. Being specific helps people understand you better. It makes conversations more meaningful.
That makes total sense. So, what if I'm feeling, let's say, a little tired, but also happy about something? How do I express that?
Impressed, Alex? Great question. You could say, I'm a bit tired, but I'm really happy about, and then you explain why.
Okay, so like, I'm a bit tired, but I'm really happy about finishing that project.
Perfect. That's exactly how you do it. See, you're getting it already.
Hey, this is actually pretty easy.
It is. You just need to think about what you're really feeling and choose the right words.
But Emma, what about negative feelings? When things aren't going well.
That's such an important question, Alex. A lot of people actually struggle with expressing negative emotions in English.
Yeah, like sometimes I don't want to say I'm sad because it sounds too, I don't know, too heavy.
I totally get that. And you know what? There are actually different levels of sadness you can express.
Really? Different levels. Tell me more.
Yes. So listen to these examples. I'm feeling a little down today. I'm feeling blue. I'm upset about something. I'm disappointed. I'm heartbroken.
Wow, those all sound different. They're not the same at all.
Exactly. Feeling down is mild. It's just a little sadness. But heartbroken is really, really intense.
So if my friend cancels our plans, I might say I'm disappointed.
Perfect. That's totally appropriate. You're not heartbroken about canceled plans. You're just disappointed.
Yeah, heartbroken would be way too dramatic for that.
Right? Context is everything. You need to match your words to the situation.
This is really helpful. I never thought about it this way before.
That's why we're here, to help you express yourself accurately in English.
Now let's talk about a tricky emotion, anger.
Oh, yeah.
I never know how to express anger without sounding rude or aggressive.
That's actually a very common concern, Alex. But the good news is there are polite ways to express frustration or anger in English.
Really? How do you do that?
Well, instead of saying, I'm angry, which can sound quite aggressive, you could say, I'm frustrated, I'm annoyed, I'm irritated. That really bothers me, or I'm upset about this.
Those do sound much softer and more polite.
And if you want to be even more polite, you can add softening phrases like, to be honest, I'm a bit frustrated with, or I have to say I'm feeling annoyed about.
Ah, so you're adding words like a bit or kind of to make it less direct.
Exactly. Words like a bit, kind of, sort of, they're called softeners, and they make your statement sound less aggressive.
So instead of saying, I'm angry the meeting got canceled, I could say, I'm kind of annoyed that the meeting got canceled.
Perfect, Alex. That sounds way better and much more professional.
Yeah, the first one sounds like I'm ready to fight someone.
Exactly. Tone matters a lot when expressing anger.
Emma, what about when you're feeling, mixed emotions, like happy and nervous at the same time?
Oh my God, yes. This happens all the time, and it's totally okay to express multiple feelings at once.
Really? How do you do that in English?
You can use connecting words like, I'm excited, but also a little nervous. I'm happy about the opportunity, yet worried about the responsibility. Or, I'm grateful, although I'm also overwhelmed.
Okay, so I'm excited about starting my new job, but I'm also nervous about meeting new people.
That's absolutely perfect, Alex. You're expressing both emotions honestly and naturally.
Hey, I'm actually getting good at this.
You really are. The key is to acknowledge that it's normal to feel two things at once.
Yeah, life isn't just black and white. We can feel happy and scared at the same time.
Exactly. And expressing that in English makes you sound more authentic and relatable.
This is so helpful. I always thought I could only express one feeling at a time.
Nope. Mixed emotions are completely normal, and now you know how to talk about them.
You know what else is really important, Alex? Asking others about their feelings.
Oh, yeah. We can't just talk about ourselves all the time, right?
Exactly. So instead of just the boring, how are you, you can ask more meaningful questions.
Like what?
You could say, how are you feeling today? Is everything okay? You seem a bit quiet. Are you all right? Or what's on your mind?
Wow. Those questions feel more caring? More personal?
Yes, they show that you actually care about the person's feelings, not just asking out of politeness.
I like that. It's way more meaningful than just, how are you? Good? Okay, bye.
Right? We've all had those super quick, meaningless conversations.
Yeah, and they don't really help anyone feel heard or understood.
Exactly. When you ask deeper questions, people feel valued and cared for.
I'm definitely going to start using these questions more often.
That's wonderful, Alex. Small changes in how we ask can make a big difference.
Let's talk about something fun now. Idioms related to feelings.
Oh, I love idioms. They're so colorful and expressive.
Right? So for happiness, we have some great ones. I'm over the moon, which means extremely happy. I'm on cloud 9 means very happy, and I'm walking on air means feeling wonderful.
Those are so much more expressive than just saying, I'm happy.
Exactly. And for sadness, we have I'm feeling under the weather, which means not feeling well. I'm down in the dumps means very sad, and my heart sank means you suddenly became sad or disappointed.
So I could say, when I heard the bad news, my heart sank.
Perfect usage, Alex. That's exactly how native speakers use it.
Curious, what about anxiety or worry? Are there idioms for that too?
Oh, yes, great ones. I have butterflies in my stomach means nervous excitement. I'm on edge means anxious or nervous. And I'm a nervous wreck means extremely anxious.
Oh, I definitely get butterflies in my stomach before giving presentations.
Everyone does. It's completely normal. These idioms help you express those feelings in a colorful way.
I love learning these. They make English so much more interesting.
You know, Emma, I'm realizing something important.
What's that, Alex?
Talking about feelings in English isn't just about vocabulary. It's about being honest and vulnerable with people.
Alex, that's actually really profound. I'm impressed.
Really? You think so?
Yes, learning to express feelings in any language helps you connect with people on a much deeper level.
That's so true. When you share how you really feel, people understand you better and trust you more.
Absolutely. And it makes relationships stronger, whether it's friendship, family, or even work relationships.
Yeah, being open about your emotions creates genuine connections with people.
And you know what? It takes courage to be vulnerable and share your true feelings.
It really does. But it's worth it because that's how real, meaningful relationships are built.
Exactly, Alex. I'm so glad we're having this conversation today.
Me too. I feel like I've learned so much, not just about English, but about communication in general.
Emma, what about when someone shares their feelings with you? How should you respond?
Such a good question, Alex. This is where empathy comes in.
Empathy? What does that mean exactly?
Empathy means understanding and sharing someone else's feelings. So if someone says, "I'm feeling really stressed," you could respond with, "I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really tough. I can imagine how you're feeling." Or, "Is there anything I can do to help?"
Oh, so you're acknowledging their feelings instead of just ignoring them.
Exactly. You're showing that you heard them and that you care about what they're going through.
Okay, so if my friend says, I'm so worried about my exam, I could say, that sounds stressful, but you've been studying hard. I'm sure you'll do great.
Yes, perfect. You acknowledged their worry and you encouraged them at the same time.
Oh, wow, I'm getting good at this emotional stuff.
Look at you, Alex, becoming emotionally intelligent.
Hey, I have my moments.
But seriously, showing empathy makes such a difference in relationships.
I totally agree. People just want to feel heard and understood.
Okay, let's do something fun now. Quick practice time.
All right, I'm ready. What do I have to do?
Playful. I'll describe a situation, and you tell me how you'd express your feelings. Sound good?
Challenge accepted. Let's go.
Okay. Situation 1. You just got promoted at work.
I'm thrilled. I'm over the moon. I can't believe it actually happened.
Wow, so much emotion. I love it. You really nailed that one.
I'm getting into this. Give me another one.
All right. Situation 2. Your best friend forgot your birthday.
I'm really hurt. To be honest, I'm quite disappointed. I thought they'd remember.
That was perfect, Alex. You expressed hurt without being aggressive or angry.
Thanks. Okay, your turn now. Let me give you a scenario.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
Your flight got canceled and you're stuck at the airport for hours.
Ugh, I'm so frustrated right now. I'm exhausted and just want to go home. This is really annoying.
Very realistic. You sounded genuinely frustrated.
Well, I've been in that situation too many times. It's not fun at all.
Nobody likes being stuck in an airport. That's a universally frustrating experience.
You know what, Emma? I've really learned a lot today.
Tell me, what's the biggest thing you've learned?
That it's okay to have feelings, and it's actually important to express them.
Absolutely. Bottling up feelings isn't healthy for anyone.
And in English, there are so many ways to express exactly how you feel.
You just need to choose the right words for the situation.
You've learned so much today, Alex. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks, Emma. But honestly, this conversation was really helpful for me too. I feel more confident now.
That's exactly what we want. We want our listeners to feel confident expressing themselves in English.
And remember, everyone listening, don't be afraid to express your feelings. It's a sign of strength, not weakness.
Beautifully said, Alex. Communication is all about being honest and authentic.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. So start using these phrases in your daily conversations today. All right, everyone, we've covered so much today.
We talked about expressing positive feelings, negative feelings, mixed emotions, idioms, and how to respond when others share their feelings.
Remember, the key is to be specific, be honest, and choose words that match how you truly feel.
Don't just say, "I'm fine," when you're not. It's totally okay to express yourself.
And practice makes perfect. Start using these phrases in your daily conversations.
If you found this episode helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to AI Talk English.
Yes, and let us know in the comments. How are you feeling today? Practice your English with us.
We'd love to hear from you. Share your feelings in English in the comments section.
Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Take care.
Take care of yourselves and your feelings.
Until next time.
Bye!